In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. With Squarespace, streamlining your SEO process is made easy, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make sure your site gets the attention it deserves. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where your journey to optimizing your website begins. The layout is user-friendly, so finding your way around should be a breeze. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll need to access your account. Do this by clicking on the login button. Here, Squarespace offers a variety of login methods, but for simplicity and ease, let's proceed with Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account for a quick and hassle-free login experience. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. After you've selected to continue with Google, you'll need to choose your Google account. Find the account associated with your Squarespace website and select it. This step is pretty straightforward if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. Next, you'll want to access your website's backend where all the magic happens. You can do this by following the direct link to your website's dashboard on Squarespace. It's a central hub for all your website's needs, from design to analytics, and of course SEO. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the lower section and click on Settings. Squarespace organizes its site menu in a way that makes finding what you need intuitive, so locating settings should be pretty easy. Inside the settings menu, there's a world of options, but our goldmine today is the marketing option. Click on this to proceed. The marketing section is your go-to for all things promotion related, including SEO. In the marketing section, you'll find the SEO appearance option. Here's where Squarespace centralizes its SEO tools and settings. Clicking on this will open up a new realm of possibilities for optimizing your site. In the SEO appearance section, Squarespace lays out an array of SEO tools and resources, including an invaluable SEO checklist. This checklist is a game changer, offering targeted recommendations and best practices for optimizing your Squarespace site. It walks you through the essential steps to ensure your website meets SEO standards, from setting up the correct page titles and descriptions to more advanced tactics. By following this guide and utilizing the SEO checklist, you're setting your website up for greater visibility and success on search engines. Squarespace has made it incredibly straightforward to improve your SEO, ensuring that your site can reach its intended audience effectively. Remember, SEO is not a one-time setup but an ongoing process. Keep revisiting these tools and tips provided by Squarespace to continuously improve your site's SEO performance over time. And that's how you do SEO on Squarespace in about 5 minutes. Each step is designed to be manageable and impactful, allowing you to optimize your site with confidence. Get started now and see the difference it makes in your website's search engine performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful guides and tips.